kurwa. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'll give you all of what I've got. The fancy finds, baby, I have not. Just gonna love you.
Yeah, our last morning. I think it's Sunday. And today we're going back home. We're 200 miles away from home. So it should be easy ride.
Easy.
Looks like the weather's going to be pretty much perfect. So right now we're just going to get some coffee. Probably some Chinese soup. A little cheat day. Yeah, I gotta say, moto camping is pretty cool, especially in a spot like that. Super quiet, super relaxing. I like it. Music is taking a morning dip.
I can't get it, diamonds so pearls, and I'm gonna take you traveling the world. But I can love you. Yeah, I'm gonna.
Oh
Okay, perfect.
yeah, that's what I was missing.
Yes, it's a little warm today. It's like what, 10 in the morning, and probably it's already like 80 degrees. So yeah, I have to keep it moving. Let's go.
Go time.
It's go time.
I can't get it, diamonds so pearls, and I'm gonna take you traveling the world. But I can love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'll give you all of what I've got. Fancy finds, baby.
Okay, so that was our final night. Let me see. Yesterday we did 307 miles, and today we got probably like 200. And overall, we did so far 1,100 miles. Pretty decent, I'd say. Especially for Maciek, he's on a Sportster, so he's in a little bit of pain. Well, my bike is no problem. Right now we're going to Devil's Lake. It's on the way home, so we're gonna stop by over there. It's a pretty popular place here in Wisconsin.
I'm so pearls, and I'm gonna take you traveling the world. I can love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'll give you all of what I've got. Fancy finds, baby, I have not. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, baby. Cross my heart and hope to die.
Alright, so we made it to Devil's Lake. It looks pretty decent over here. Check it out. You wouldn't expect this from fucking Wisconsin,
Right?
but yeah, it's a pretty decent place.
Guess what time it is?
It's mirror time. Dude, check out the water. The water is so nice, so clean. Yep, I would say it's one of the highlights of our trip.
A wy same jeszcze podjechali na ten
Real nice.
Lake?
Alright, so we just saw Devil's Lake, a pretty awesome spot. If you're ever in the area, I would highly recommend it. A lot of cool spots in Wisconsin, as long as you take US roads, not the main highways. Okay, so just had a beer at the Vintage Brewing Company here in Madison. Oh, it's a pretty cool spot. And let's keep going. Is you ready?
I was born ready.
Let's go. Let's do it. Oh my god, it's so fucking hot. Capitol looks pretty sick. Alright, so that's our final stop for some fuel, and we got like half an hour to get home. Let's go! So today it's yeah, very difficult day. The heat beat us up pretty good. It's, let's see what is the temperature right now. I'd say it's pretty close to the 90s. It's 86. So overall, it's a pretty good trip. We started on Wednesday morning. Today is Sunday, so it's pretty much 5 days. So we went from Chicago, suburbs of Chicago, all the way to Copper Harbor. That was the farthest point that we got. Overall, it's going to be just a little bit over 1,300 miles. We got some military vehicles, probably going to Chicago. They didn't watch the news for a week, but maybe something's going on over there. And it looks like we're gonna get some rain. See you, Taco. 8 miles to go. Let's see, maybe we can make it before the rain. Yep, it starts to rain. That should be a little refreshing. Okay, that's my exit. I think I'm gonna get pretty lucky this time, because it looks like the rain clouds already passed this way, so just a little weight on the pavement. Oh man, I'm a little tired today. Yeah, but overall the trip was pretty good. Had pretty good times. Camping part was pretty fun. Home sweet home. So let me see exactly how many miles we did. Today we got 230, and overall 1,324 in 5 days. So pretty decent mileage. Okay, guys. So that's gonna be it from this trip. So please remember to like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. And let me know how you like those trip videos, or you would like to get some more DIY or I don't know, reviews of the bikes. Let me know what you think.